Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new video on Bome. Wanted to do a full update because right now, I mean, some cryptos this morning were relatively bullish. So it's not that Bome is the only bullish crypto in the market right now. But if you look at Bome and you compare it to other meme coins, it's by far the strongest, as you can see. And it's also like there's some technically. There's some good things going on. So I just wanted to do a full update. We'll do a full technical update. We'll talk about what's possible here, what you should expect. Because Bome right now, to be completely honest, and to also kind of dive right into the analysis, I think Bome is bullish. Like there's nothing really on the short time frame, at least, what you can say about Bome that's bearish, apart from the fact that if you look at the moves, and this is something that's not new for Bome, right? So most of you who do know Bome a little bit will know this. But if you, can I please just put this on the chart where I can kind of show you guys it? Yeah, so if you look at Bome and if you look at this bullish momentum, all right, so the bullish momentum is real, especially if you look at this, you can see that we're making on the very low time frames, we found a solid support here, right here, and now we are actually making higher lows. Beautifully drawn, doesn't matter. So that is true, but the thing is that if you look at the nature of these moves, then what you see, if you look at the open interest, so that's the amount of dollars in open positions, is that it's these big increases in a very short period of time. Now, usually when you see that, what that means is that whales are buying up Bome or are buying up that crypto, which is a blessing and a curse, because obviously you need some whales to get into the price. But it also means that at some point of time, they are going to dump Bome. So I do think that either way, if you want to trade Bome or not, I do think you need to be careful, all right? Because at some point of time, we're going to get a nice dump. That's also what has happened historically quite a lot. With Bome, you can see these big increases and then big decreases. And in general, where a normal uptrend is like this, Bome very more often is like this, all right? So a lot of volatility. A lot of big pullbacks, so know that that's a possibility. But then if we zoom out for Bome, and that's also one of the reasons why I'm bullish, what you can see is that we actually drop down to a very significant support level here around 1 cent, all right? A bit lower, down to like the 236 fib of the move down we had back in April. So yeah, we drop down to that level. That's a significant level. So you would actually, like, if there's one level from which you would expect some bullish momentum up to 1.2, 1.25, potentially even 1.4, then this is the level. Because if you start to drop down below this level, then you're going back down to 0.85 or 0.75 cents very, very quickly, and getting back from there is difficult. So we have a very strong support level on the higher time frames, which is always good. From that support level, we are gaining real momentum. Like the momentum is now already back in the area that we left behind with that drop we had last week Friday. So I have to be relatively bullish on Bome, all right. Even though I do think it's a bit sketchy with those moves we had, I think it's most likely for now that we will continue. Now the first real challenge is probably here around 1.15 cents, right? There we have a strong technical level. And the main question is that, all right, when we hit that level, do we see a steep decrease in open interest, yes or no? If the answer is no, then we will continue up higher, up to 1.22 and 1.25. That would be my main target for now. And something like this, I do think is most likely. It's dependent on how we react to this level, of course, like I said. But in these circumstances, I do think this is most likely. Bome has a strong support level. It's gaining momentum on its own. The one thing that could kind of destroy it is obviously Bitcoin. If Bitcoin turns very bearish today, then Bome will probably not rally. But like if we do something like we saw yesterday or last week Friday. But otherwise, I'm bullish on Bome. So keep your eyes on it. Be careful either way because of the nature of Bome. But those are my thoughts, and that's what I think you need to know. So take care. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend in advance, and bye.